So today I will be showing you how to delete your Facebook page. For this you have to log into your Facebook account. I am opening my Facebook account. Now once you have opened your Facebook account, you have to switch your profile. To switch your profile, press the drop down menu here and you can log into any page you want to delete. Here I am going to delete this page, so I am switching my profile to this page. Once the account has been switched, go to your top menu section and scroll to the bottom. Now here you have to click the settings and privacy option. In the settings and privacy option, you have to further click on the settings option. Now click on the page settings option. After clicking on the page setting option, go down and check access and control option. When you click on this option, you will see this message, deactivation and deletion. Click on this. Here you will see two options, deactivate page or delete page. You can select delete page or deactivate page, whatever you want. Now I am selecting the delete page option and pressing continue. After pressing on continue button, you will see these options. You have to select any one of these and then press the continue button again. Here I will select the first option and then press the continue button. After pressing the continue button, you will see these options. Here you have to again press the continue button to delete your page. Once you will press this button, your page will be permanently deleted. And that's how you can delete your Facebook page permanently.